The sound of the afternoon sea is calling me, telling me news of my lover who will be landing tonight. The sound of the plane's engine is clearly audible as it lands at Bali Airport. I immediately shower with fragrant soap, not forgetting to brush my teeth. I wake up my old Vespa and invite it to pick up my lover. Not far from home, my Vespa stalls and runs out of fuel. I pull over and look left and right for fuel. It turns out there's a gas station there. I push my Vespa like pushing a buffalo. My body is already drenched in sweat. My body odor is like a male goat. Today's a mess, but I'm still happy, because tonight I'm picking up the girl of my dreams. Canadian girl, I'll soon be in front of you. My hungry stomach becomes full. Oh, you wave from afar. You throw your beautiful smile at me. My heart is happy to welcome you. A warm hug welcomes you. This night is truly beautiful as tonight's weather. The stars and moon light up tonight. The night breeze welcomes you. Welcome back to the island of Bali. This love is beautiful, darling. This love is real, darling. Love of a beach child.